Hello, my friends. I had quite the adventure at sea, and I brought some amazing people to share some of what I learned with you.
Did you know that fish live in rivers, lakes, and oceans? And people use a rod and line to catch them? Fishing takes patience. You have to wait quietly for the fish to bite.
Diving is how grown-ups go deep under the sea to look at fish and plants. They wear special gear to breathe, but it's not for kids. It's just fun to learn about and watch.
I was able to go swimming. Did you know that swimming is a sport where we move through the water like little fishes? Yes, it keeps us strong and healthy. But children must always swim with a grown up and follow safety rules to stay safe. Jet skiing is a fast water sport where people ride a small boat called a jet ski. It zooms over the waves like a water motorcycle, but only grown ups should ride it.
That looked like loads of fun, Miss Kayla. Don't you agree, children? An exciting and colourful adventure. Speaking of colours, do you know your colours? Let's identify these colours by their names, shall we? Red, the flower is red. Green, the leaves are green. Yellow, the duck is yellow. Blue, the butterfly is blue. Pink, the blanket is pink. Brown, the rabbit is brown. Grey, the hat is grey. Black, the circle is black.
It was great seeing those beautiful colors. Our eyes help us see things. We can see colors, shapes, and people, and so much more. Our ears help us hear sounds. We can hear music, talking, and birds singing. Our nose helps us smell things. Some smells are nice, like flowers or cookies. Some are not so nice, like garbage. Our tongue helps us taste food. We can taste sweet candy, sour lemons, salty chips, and bitter medicine. Our skin helps us feel things. We can feel if something is soft, hard, hot, or cold.